this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money online on Digistore24 as a complete beginner. And I'm going to show you how to do everything in today's video. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can get started and start making money online with affiliate marketing. So the first thing you want to do is to create a Digistore24 account. And if you don't know how to do this, make sure to click on the card above this video. So once you have your account created, you want to pick a product from the marketplace by simply clicking on this marketplace section. And once you do that, you're going to have access to abundant product that you can start promoting from Digistore24. So I'm going to pick a product from one of these categories right here, or you can simply just type in a keyword for any niche you wish to work with. So I'm going to take dog training as an example. So once I type in that keyword right there, as you can see, there's a product available on dog training that I can start promoting right away. And this product is going to pay me $22.50 for everyone who purchase this product using my affiliate link. So all I simply need to then do is to then go over to this website called answerthepublic.com. And why are we coming to this website? We are looking for keywords people are searching relating to this niche, because this is going to help us get the most out of our promotion and make the most profit, as we are going to be targeting only keywords people are interested in this niche. And once you come over to this website, answerthepublic.com. So since I'm using the dog training as an example, all I just need to do is to type in dog training. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to show you the search volume of this keyword. As you can see, it gets over 90,000 searches every single month. And now, as you can see, there are various types of category for this keyword. As you can see, low competition, medium competition, and good keyword. All right, so all you simply need to do, you want to change this to tables. All right, so now you want to basically go through each of these keywords, and I highly recommend to go for keywords that has reasonable amount of searches and has this green color, because this tell you it's a good keyword and it's not as competitive as other keywords. All right, you can see this one. All you just simply need to do is to make a notepad, and you want to copy each of these keyword that has green, each of these keyword that has a green color. Okay, so you can see this another good keyword you can use right here, dog training at PetSmart. You can see this one, dog training aggression. So all you simply need to do, like I said, copy each of these keywords and paste them in a notepad, as these are the keywords we are going to be using to make money with this strategy. So once you do that, the next step is to come over to pexels.com, as we are going to be working with royalty-free videos, which we will be using to promote this affiliate product. So once you come over to pexels.com, the same thing you did, you want to type in keyword related to the niche you are working with. So for me, I'm just going to type in dog. As you can see, you have access to over 5,000 dog videos that you can use for free without copyright issues. So all you simply need to do is to download a couple of these videos, and we will be using them to make our content. So once you do that, the next step is coming over to canva.com to create your videos. And I create videos in less than 5 minutes using Canva. And this is the format I use to create my videos. I'm going to paste it somewhere around the screen. This is the format I use to get high conversion and results when using this method. So once you use this format, you can be assured to get a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. So once you come over to Canva, all you simply need to do is to click on videos. So once you click on videos, you want to come over here and you want to scroll down to this section, and you want to click on YouTube video. So once you do that, the next step is to come over to the upload section, and you want to go over to videos, and you want to upload those videos you downloaded from pexels.com, as you can see, like I've done right here. All right, so once you do that, the next thing you want to then do is to drop each of these videos right here like this. Okay, so once you drop in the video here, the next step is to then give people value in this video. And to give people value, this is very easy to do. Since we already know we are working with the dog training niche, all you just simply need to do is to go over to ChatGPT and create a free account. And once you create an account, you want to basically type in 10 tips for dog training, and ChatGPT is going to give you 10 effective tips people can use to train their dogs. And the first thing you want to do is to type in a pain point people are facing in this niche, which is having troubles training their dog. So that is what you are going to use as the title of this video, as you can see right here. Are you having troubles training your dog? Then the next thing you want to tell people is follow these proven tricks to train your dog effectively. All right. Then once you do that, that is when you want to start listing out the 3 tips people can use to train their dogs. So as not to prolong this video, I'm going to show you an example I made on Canva. So as you can see, it was a very short video and straight to the point. All right. So this is how easy it is to create your videos on Canva. And to get free music to use, you want to simply go over to pixabay.com and you want to click on music. If you click on music, you are going to see a lot of free music you can add to your video without any copyright issues. So you want to then create a YouTube account, which I believe everyone knows how to do that. You want to also create a thumbnail for the video. If you don't want to create a thumbnail, you can use an auto-generated thumbnail for the video. This is really up to you. All right. So now once you've uploaded the video, like I said, you want to make sure to have copied the relevant keyword you want to use from this website. Like I said, you want to go for keywords that have a good search volume. Like this one has 5,000 searches every single month. So all you simply need to do is to copy that keyword. You want to make sure to include it in the title of your video. So once you give it a good title like this, you want to also come over to the description and let people know they are learning 3 tricks from this video. And also you want to use something like this, the title of the product you are promoting. And the reason why I'm using Get the 6 Special Dog Training Book is because of the product we are promoting, which gives people 6 books they can use to train their dogs, which is going to give you $22 for every single sale you make. So this is how I structure my videos. And all you simply need to then do from here is to click on the Promote Now button, which is going to give you an affiliate link to promote this product. And of course, you want to shorten this affiliate link. So you can come over to a website like tinyurl.com. And all you need to do is to paste in your affiliate link here and you want to click on shorten. So you want to copy the shortened link and then you want to paste in the shortened link right here. So once you do that, this is all you need to do. And you can also come over under the video and add in some relevant tags for this niche. Okay, you can get suggestions from vidIQ extension. All you simply need to do is to go over to Google and type in vidIQ extension and you'll be able to download this extension. All right, so it will give you suggestions of keywords you can use as well, like this. All right, so if you do that, it's going to be really helpful for your video. All right, so once you do that, this is all you simply need to do, and you want to create as many videos as possible and you want to upload them to your YouTube channel. The more videos you upload to YouTube, the more traffic you're going to get on your affiliate link and the more money you will be making in passive income, as this video is going to stay on YouTube forever.